Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a title and a description for your YouTube tutorial. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and log in into ChatGPT. Okay, and here you should write me a title and a description for my YouTube tutorial. Okay, the title is how to, for example, how to create group in Office 365. That's just an example. Okay, and enter it. As you can see, ChatGPT will generate you a title, as you can see here, and a description. Okay, you can just copy the title and paste it in the title of your YouTube tutorial, and the description you can also copy and paste it there. That's it guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you with that. Thank you so much in advance. See you in the next video.